Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will demonstrate our project course bucket, how it looks like and what functionalities does it perform. We built this project due to the participation in Therap Java Fest. The name of our team is Null Pointer Exception. In this team, we are two members, number one MD Mehedi Hasan and number two me Kazi Wasif Amin. Both of us study computer science in BUET. Therap is one of the most leading software development industry in Bangladesh. So we thank Therap very much for organizing such a fest, and it's an opportunity for undergraduate students like us to explore the software development world. In our platform, we can sign up in two ways. Either we can sign up as a student or we can sign up as a teacher. Let's say we want to sign up as a student, so we provide that and we provide a username, let's say ABCD, and our email address abcd@gmail.com, and we provide a password again. Now we click the sign up section. So then we have a menu that's saying general settings. Here we have to provide our first name, last name, and we can select our country from here, and we can select our educational status from there. Then we will provide our date of birth from there, and we can select multiple languages. For example, let us say we have selected English and Bengali, so it is showing here as a cheap. We have selected English and Bangla as a language. Then we can provide our institution, our website, Facebook URL, YouTube URL, and LinkedIn. Then we can type here something about ourselves. Then there is a profile picture section. Here we can select a file or we can drag and drop a file. And finally we have credit card information section. Here we can provide necessary informations about credit card. And then when we click save, our sign up process is successfully completed. So now our sign up process is successfully completed. Now we have to sign in to enter our system. So here we have to provide our username and our password. So let's say we have forgot our password. So what we can do, we can go to the forgot password section and provide our username and date of birth, and then we can request to change the password. Now we provided our username, and now let's just select our date of birth. So we have selected our date of birth. Now we want to request to change the password. So now we can type our new password and new password again, then we can submit and sign in. So we have successfully changed our password, and now we want to sign in. So we provide our username and password and then we sign in. As we have entered into our system, we can see this page. So this is our home page, and at our home page header section we have our logo and our project name. Then we have the search field, and then we have notification section. Then we have an avatar to indicate an account. Then after the header we have a category section. Here select a category, and under the category the subcategories are shown. So if we select the computer programming category, C#, C, C++, Java, Python are the subcategories. Now let's move to the next section. So here we have a banner, and we can slide this banner clicking left and right. We can manually slide this banner, or when we change the focus from the banner, it slides automatically. Then at the next section we have most rated courses. So these are the most rated courses here, and after that we have most reviewed courses. So these are the carousel, we can move left and right. Then we have bestseller courses, free courses, and at the very bottom we have new released courses. If we go to right, the carousel will move to the right and load the new courses. So this way we can see all the courses new released section. At the footer we have the identity of the developers, me Kazi Wasif Amin and my partner MD Mehedi Hasan. And here is our Facebook URL link and our email link to contact with us. And at the left we have some page links in the footer. So by clicking these links we can go to a particular page. So this is all about our home page. So we have logged in as a teacher. So when we click to the notification button, we can see a list of notifications. Notifications are based on if a course gets reviewed or rated, or a course is purchased, or if a question is asked upon a course, then the teacher gets some notifications. So these are the notifications of this teacher. If we click to a notification, it will take us to the event. For example, now let us click this notification that Sakibur Reza reviewed Linux operating system, this course. So now if we click, it will take us to the section where he reviewed. So this is the course Linux operating system, and Sakibur Reza reviewed the course, and the notification took us to this section. Then we click the avatar icon of the teacher, so a list of functionalities are shown. So let us go to the account settings section. So when we click that, we are taken to the account setting, and in this platform the teacher can change or edit his account settings and different informations, and when we click save, everything gets saved. So now let us go to the overview section of the teacher. So we click the overview section. So in the section overview, the teacher can see some pictorial view of his performance. This graph shows an overview of a particular course performance. So now from here we can select the course. Let's say we select the course full stack Android development, and for this course these are the performances, and here are the reviews, ratings, enrolled students. So these informations are showed in a graph. So from this section we can download this as a PNG or SVG in different formats. Now let us go to the next graph. This graph shows the rating of the teacher at a particular date, and then the left graph shows the popularity of the courses. For example, he has total 4 courses, and these are the popularities based on the purchase of different students. And at the right we have income per course graph. So for each graph, what is the income, this is showed in this graph. So these are the overviews of a particular course. Now if we look at the left dashboard, so this is the overview. Now if we choose the purchase history section, we can see the purchase history of his different courses. For example, the Java program language courses purchased 2%, the C# is purchased by 4%, and the Linux operating system course is purchased by only 1%. So this is how we can see the purchase history of a particular teacher. And if we click the review section, we can see the reviews of different students under each course. And when we click the FAQ section, we can see the frequently asked questions based on different courses. And at the very last we have enrolled students. So for each course, the number of enrolled students are shown there. For example, for Java programming he has 2 students, C# he has 4 students, and Linux operating system he has only 1 student. So these are the teacher dashboard functionalities in this project. Now let us select my courses from the teacher functionalities. Here the list of courses that the teacher created is shown. So this particular teacher created 4 courses. So here 4 courses are shown. And now if we select a course, let us select the full stack Android development. So this is the course view from the teacher perspective. So at the very beginning we have some description about the course title, subtitle, the ratings, and some necessary informations. At the right we have the course thumbnail, the course price, and some details about the course. And then we have the course learning outcome and the course prerequisites or requirements, and this is a course description, and these are the course contents. So first week what we have a lecture. So and under this lecture we have an article. So this is the article heading and this is the article code. So for code we have a different styling. And now if we minimize that, we go to the next week, and in this week what we have a video tutorial. If we click to the video tutorial, this video is played, and if we want to minimize this video we can select the picture in picture mode, and the video is minimized here, and we can still go to the any section of the page and still we can see our video. So now if we cancel the video and we move to the next week, and under this week we have a PDF. So by clicking the download we can download the PDF. Then in the next week what we have a link. So if we click to the link, we go to the source link of this lecture. Then at the 5th week, what we have another video. By clicking this video, we can see the video online. So these are the different week, and upon every week we have different lectures. So this is the profile of the teacher. So here are some profiles are shown, and this is the about section and the rating of the teacher, and here the reviews are given, and this is the FAQ about this course. So now, as I have logged in as a teacher, I can provide an answer to this question. So here the question is asked, marketing covered. If we want to provide an answer, we click the button and we write not covered, and we can style the text depending on our requirements. So these are the requirements upon which we can style our text. So we have made our text bold, and now we press submit. So the answer is submitted. So for this question, this is the answer. So this is the course view from perspective of a teacher, and if we want to update the course, we can click the button. For duplicating the course, this button, and if we want to delete the course, we can delete it from here. And if we want to see the profile view of a teacher, we can click here. It takes us to a new page, and in the page we can see some details about the teacher. Here the 4 cards shows the course, number of student, number of courses, number of student review, and total rating count and total review, and his created courses are shown here. And at the left, his profile picture as well as some necessary informations are shown here. There are the social media links of the teacher. So now let's say we want to create a new course. So we click here, create a course. So we are taken to a create course page. Here at the left we have a dashboard. In landing page section we have course title. Here we can edit our course title, we can give it subtitle, we can provide our course description, and we can select languages as we choose. Then we can select a main category. So let us select computer programming, and under computer programming we can select some subcategories. Let's say we choose C++, and in this section we can drag and drop a course cover photo to make the course look awesome. Then we have target your students section, and here we can provide what the students will learn in the course and the requirements or prerequisites to purchase the course, and we can provide with some properties of this course. Let's say we want to add the learning outcome, so we click here add more, and we can add learning outcome here. And then we want to add prerequisites, we click here, we can click add more button. And then when we want to provide some attractive icon and properties, we click here, and from there we can choose some attractive icons and we can write our course property there. So after that we have set your curriculum section, and here we can set our curriculum. So our curriculum is depending on some week. So in the week section we can provide with week title, and under a week we can provide some lectures. So in a particular lecture we can provide some contents. So when we click the content, we can provide article, video, PDF, and link, and we can add multiple lectures under a week, and we can also delete them, and we can also provide multiple weeks, and if we don't want, we can delete it. So this is our curriculum section. Then there is a section called set price. Here we can set our price, and if we want to give an offer, we click here and we set the offer, and here is the offered price calculated. When these 4 sections are completed, then we can click save, and our course will be sent for admin approval. Now we have completed all the necessary fields to upload a course: the title, subtitle, language, our category, and our cover photo. Then we also completed our target student section. All the necessary fields are given here, and then our set curriculum section, we have given some week and lectures. Then we have set a price for the course. Now we save the button. Our course will be created and sent for admin approval. Now if we search the course, let's say we take the Android development, this section, and when we search the course, we see no course is found because this course is sent for admin approval. Now let us sign in as admin and we approve the course. Now we have logged in as admin, and when we click to the notification section, so the notification shows that Rifat Shahriar uploaded a new course. That means a new course is uploaded. So we have to approve it so that we can find the course in the search section or the home page. So now let us go to the admin dashboard. So we click here admin dashboard and we are sent to admin dashboard. So in the left we have our dashboard, and in dashboard we have many functionalities. So in the overview section we can see the visitor, new course, new user, total income, today income, and total users. So there is a graph. This is the registration graph. It shows the registered count of teacher and student depending on the dates. Then we have most popular courses graph. It shows which courses are the popular and many other informations about the course. Then we have a graph that shows the popular categories. So in this case, computer programming is the most popular category. After that, we have homepage slider section. So this is the homepage slider section. Here we can add more banner images to our homepage, and also we can reorder them. For example, I want to take it to the serial number 1, so I drag and drop it to the serial number 1. So this is how we can reorder the banner images. Then when we go to the student info section, here a list of students are shown, their username, their owned courses, their spent money. So if we click to the I section of the particular student, we can see a little bit description about the student. So he has owned 4 courses and reviewed 4 courses, and he has purchased these four courses, and at the left we can see some description about this student. Then we have teacher info section. So here if we click that, we can see some information about the teacher. If we click this I button, then we can see some information about the teacher. So this teacher has 5 courses and 10 students, and he have 9 reviews and ratings, and these are the courses he created. And at the left there is some information about the teacher. Now we have the course approval section. So when we go to the course approval section, so these are the list of unapproved course. So recently we uploaded a new course that is full stack Android development. So this is unapproved. So when we click here, this course is approved, and now this is shown in the approved section. So this course is approved. If we search this course now if we type Android and we press enter, then we can see our newly created course there. So this is our newly created course, and we find it at our search section because we have approved it as an admin. Now we come back to our admin dashboard. So when we click the category section, so we can see our categories. So these are the list of our categories. So here we can add a new category, and when we click this, our category is saved. Then when we click delete, this category is deleted. Similarly, we have here our country section. Here we have the list of available countries, and from here we can search a country, and from here we can add a new country, and by clicking edit section we can edit a country name. Similarly, we have language section. Same functionalities applied here also. Then we have designation section and educational status section. So these are the functionalities that the admin can perform. Now we have logged in as a student. So from here we can see the student notification. So one of the questions the student asked is answered. So this is showing as a notification. Then when we click the avatar, we can see the list of functionalities available for the student. So if we click the purchase history of the student, we can see the purchase history of the student. So these are the course he purchased. Then when we click the review, we can see the reviews he provided, and for FAQ section we can see the frequently asked question of that student, and also here we can see the answers of the questions. So these are the functionalities available for a student. Now let's say we want to purchase a course. So for that, in the search field we type development. So then we press enter. So these are the courses related to development. So now this is sort by new released. We want to sort it by bestseller. So when we click bestseller, this is the bestseller ordering. If we want to sort them by most reviewed, so now the courses are sorted by most reviewed. Now if we want to set from prices low to high. So now these courses are sorted from low to high. So we also can filter these courses depending on the category. So when we click category, so under the development section, if we write game development, so only the course related to game development is selected. So we can sort our course depending on the price also, and we can sort also by rating value and also by teacher name and also by providing language. So this is how we can sort our courses. Now let's say we want to purchase a course, so we select the course Unity. So this is the ultimate guide to game development course. So there are all the necessary informations. So this is the course content. So here we have 5 weeks in the course, and if we click the drop down box, we can see only the lecture title. We do not see the content because this is hidden. As we didn't purchase the course, we cannot see the contents, but we can see the contents that are preview. So this is a preview content, so that's why we can see this content. This lecture was a preview, that's why we could access the content, and the rest of the contents, they are hidden because we have not purchased the course yet. So this is about our teacher, and this course has no review and FAQs. So let's say we ask a question, so we type a question, and if we submit, so our question is submitted successfully, and there is no answer given. And now let's say we want to buy it, so we click here buy now, and then we need some necessary informations. So if we click complete payment, a list of errors are shown because we have to provide this information. So we provide, and then we provide the expiration date. So then when we click complete payment, then there is congratulations, you successfully purchased the course. As we have purchased the course, now we can see each and every content of the course. So this is all the contents that were previously hidden from us. So this is the PDF, and there is a link about the course, and also there is another video in the course. So we can access it because we purchased the course recently. Now we can provide some rating and review. So let's say we want to provide some review, a good course, and we want to give rating 5. So if we submit that, so our review is submitted and also our rating. So this is showing here. So in this manner, we can purchase a course as a student. Now let us see the technologies used to build the project. So in our frontend, we used the React, and in our backend or server-side language, we choose the Spring Boot. This is a framework of Java, and for database, we choose Oracle. So this was all about our project demonstration. Thank you so much for being with us.